my name is Wiwin Suwarningsih. I'm from Indonesian Institute of Science. I will present my paper with title Pattern Combination and Variation Syntax for Case Similarity. What is the background of my research? The first is case knowledge can be used to solve several new unsolved problems and the necessary step in the processing phase. And identification of key phrase in some multi-level sentence dependent upon whether the key phrase such as subject noun phrase, object noun phrase, appositive, proportional phrase, or adverbials. Bahasa Indonesia is influenced by the regional language. The aim in the paper is I want to find a new way to seeking case similarity to case-based reasoning for Indonesian question and answering system, because Indonesian is very poor language and we have to be a volunteer for collect the data. The contribution in this paper, this two-state of similarity can display the similarity of case with the equivalent word of the input query. The second is an application. We saw that the value found in the case and sentence form at 88.94% for accuracy. Proposed method in this paper, you can see the picture, the figure that if we have a new case from here and we have to parsing using predicate argument parsing and then post parsing. From the predicate argument parsing, we creating the combination pattern, and post parsing we have to creating combination pattern with subtree and subset tree. And then we have example creating combination pattern from syntax variation. The example sentence is bagaimana tanda bayi terkena pilek. In English, how does a baby sign catch a cold? And then we parsing using a predicate argument, and the result of parsing like this, bagaimana is a word question, who, tanda is non phrase, bayi is patient, and terkena is verb. Terkena is argument 3, bayi is subject, and tanda argument 2, and bagaimana argument first. And the result of the predicate argument parsing is pilek, population, and predicate is population, and parameter is p. And then we create syntax. The result of syntax like this, bagaimana plus tanda plus patient plus terkena and population. Patient and population is template for Pico pattern. And then the result, if we want to generation of syntax variation, the result is like this. I have 10 pattern for the sample bagaimana tanda bayi terkena pilek. You can see this the pattern many pico frame, and then we can combination from the syntax variation in Indonesian language. And then pattern matching with the template. The template you can show the table key evo question template apa plus manfaat plus control, and the answer template is intervention plus outcome. From this table we have to pattern matching with the template, and then the result is we have 8 key pairs. Bagaimana gejala flu pada bayi. In English, how are infant flu symptom? The answer is rewel, susah tidur, gelisah, or in English, fussy, insomnia, and anxiety. This is the result from pattern matching if we use a predicate argument template. And this is an example creating a pattern combination of subtree and subset tree. Formation, we using the same sample example, the sentence bagaimana tanda bayi terkena pilek. This is FH word. We have to tagging, post tagging, and this is formation of subtree and subset tree. We use This is in figure 3 a syntax parsing tree with the its subtree, and figure 4 a tree with subset tree. Figure 4 result from the subset from tree and in figure 3, and the result of the determination relation between node. We create the algorithm like this. Function evaluation per set of T1 and T2 tree. Input data is T1 and T2 type tree, and output data is the set of node pairs. This is the algorithm, and the result from the algorithm is we have a list containing tree from parsing the sample sentence, and L2 contain a list similar to L1. And then from form of sentence, pair of question from the search of the set pair of the node this is the result. We have key 2 and answer 2, and then key 2 seek until we have seek key A pairs. And then we have to stage question answering pairs candidate selection. We have to selection from predicate argument parsing and subtree and subset tree. We using the selection the candidate pairs of this question utilize the proximity to words and on the ontology. The process aim to take the important word of each pair of question by giving weight to each word in the pair of question. The formula we using to select the candidate selection is the F using because the ontology toward proximity very optimal. The result and discussion. The result of the paper is we using 4 scenario. Then this is the result using syntax variation and relation between word with sum 117, and not obtained by using variation syntax 5 sentence, not obtained by using relation between word only for sentence, and not obtained by using both similarity resemblance is SIP. And then we have the conclusion. The combination of sentence pattern with syntax variation and relation between word is sentence such is right answer has been successful done with 88.94 accuracy. The accuracy test of the proposed method use 130 Indonesian sentence as the test data. Why I use 132? Because I have be volunteer to collect alone the data from many source, and this accuracy is better than if we compare with the baseline with 87.89% and accuracy and 88.34 accuracy, and my reference in 14. In this paper have shown that a new concept for retrieval case can effectively be adopted in practical Indonesian natural language. Okay, thank you for this presentation. I hope we can question and answer for this presentation. Thank you.